In the mechanics of investigative reporting and high-profile death files, the official closing of a case often marks the beginning of a completely new controversy. Nearly 11 months after the wrestling icon Hulk Hogan collapsed and passed away on July 24, 2025, at the age of 71, the Clearwater Police Department officially closed its file, ruling it an attended natural death from a heart attack. However, the released 72-page case summary has triggered an intense wave of public suspicion. According to official log entries, Hogan was battling chronic lymphocytic leukemia and atrial fibrillation, having undergone massive neck fusion and heart valve surgeries just weeks prior. On the morning of his passing, an occupational therapist and a home health aide arrived at his Clearwater Beach residence. The report states Hogan was resting in his living room recliner.
A month or two ago, they severed the phrenic nerve with a complete system shutdown. In home, the home health, I'm an occupational therapist, and he didn't look good. I saw him last week one time. It's like dead here. He was breathing. Tried to call the jet. I was checking out the
Do what? Okay.
He ate very little, a couple of blueberries on his own. Was up throughout the night, some medication, narcotics. And came back to him. I noticed.
It is. Yeah, it should be behind that for you.
No rise of all the chest. Tried to get pulse, tried to take blood pressure, nothing. She came in, we realized it together, immediately called 911. Got him to the floor, he started corrections. Basically, he was breathing. In any case, when I saw it, I didn't look, because he's such a big guy.
Yeah.
So getting a pulse, getting all that stuff is sometimes difficult. And then when we realized it, obviously we didn't call and get assistance. To be honest, I'm surprised he lasted this long.
You said you were only here like 10 minutes, right? Before he...
I got here about, I can tell you, talking to you, 2:39. I was here at 9:30. I walked in the door.
And how long have you been helping take care of him?
Only my second visit.
Okay.
I just did the initial eval last week. Honestly, I was surprised in here for the week.
And are you trying to help him adjust to being in like the wheelchair mainly and stuff like that? Or?
Yeah, occupational, bad definition. PT does the legs, OT we do the upper body.
Okay.
Function.
So just helping him function as best he can.
Right. I was trying to get him back because he was having trouble breathing.
Was he able to walk and stuff?
Barely. It was a pivot transfer.
He's been using like urinal and stuff. What's the big issue right now?
Everything. Like we were.
Like why was he not able to walk?
He had that. They severed the phrenic nerve in surgery.
Was that recently? Okay. So he had a back surgery, or what was it?
It was. Honestly, he's had so many surgeries.
Okay.
The phrenic nerve is a nerve that involves respiratory.
Okay.
And if you slice that, which is hard to do, the doctor.
Okay. But so
that's off the record.
The surgery.
So you caught that. The doc.
Nothing to do with the medical records per se. It's more just your own observations, your own background, and that type of stuff.
Can I have her present? Because
sure.
I mean, it's a little intimidating. I've watched Law and Order for years.
Well, no, I'm a nurse.
Say that again?
I'm a nurse.
Okay, yeah,
I've run tons of codes.
Yeah.
This was my first.
I've never had the police come to my house.
I understand that we're making things uncomfortable. That's not what we're trying to do here.
No, I understand. You have to see it from my perspective, you know.
No, and I get
kids, you know.
That's what
They're not letting us say. They don't want us to say anything else because evidently I spoke too much already.
That's what they told you.
Yeah.
Your people. Okay.
Well, no. In general, I'm just hearing what's going on in the news.
Your boss also, the lady also said to get their cards.
Oh yeah, cards.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
Cool. But this is the CEO of VNA with TGH.
Okay.
So that's the high up. I'm going higher than that.
Yeah, that's who I tried to call. I just shoot having a good moment from there, I guess. Somebody else gave it. Ann was your supervisor, the DON?
Yes.
She gave me her number.
Jen's number? Okay.
Yeah, I tried to call. I didn't get a message back.
I did too, because I even called to say, hey, this is what's going down. Yeah. So.
Okay. Well, I mean, if that's what they're telling you to say, we're not trying to put anybody in a hard spot.
Yeah, understood.
So
I'm appreciative of what you're doing, and but I mean, obviously I was blabbing the smoke. I don't know what I did. I don't even remember the conversations.
You did not blab, Justin.
So, Thank you. This is his. My name is already on the back, just so you have it. And she can call if you have conversation with her about anything. She's welcome to call.
Awesome.
That number, we sit next to each other, so you call that one. You'll get either of us. Okay. Do you have any questions that I can help maybe lessen some of this angst that's being
I'm the one that's anxious.
Well, I got that collectively.
Okay.
I was the one that was like, Justin!
My question,
Like,
we have family that are law enforcement, so we're
I'm like, some guys just came here and, you know, I'm like looking at them with,
I'm just concerned that all this stuff's getting out that shouldn't have been out. It's HIPAA violations on these camps. That's what to be redacted. And it's getting out. TMZ's calling me.
Are they?
Yeah.
that's not getting out. That's all false stuff
Well, they're saying things that...
in life that the news says.
Yeah, I don't know what's being true. That's what's
Yeah, we
scary.
haven't released any video, I can tell you that.
Still open investigation.
So whatever you're seeing online is not coming from us.
Oh, you
Okay.
know that was an open investigation.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that's why because of some of that information that's out there, we're trying to get everything sort of
Got it.
lined up as it should be, okay? So that's why we're here talking to you now. Yeah, the only thing was just, is obviously about the surgery.
That's above my scope.
Okay.
It really is. It's not, I'm a therapist. I get people stronger.
Okay, so
No,
that, you didn't go to med school, you're not a
Nope.
surgeon, nothing
Nope.
like that?
Not a nurse.
Okay.
Not a, nope.
Occupational therapy is your licensure,
like
that's your
PT.
business, that's everything.
I get people walking, rocking, and make them independent.
Okay.
That's all I do.
Okay. And I know you told me on the phone, but the stuff that you got from about the surgery was from the chart.
That's all I know.
Okay. No other outside extraneous information?
No, none.
Okay. And then you said TMZ called you?
Yeah.
You didn't provide them anything?
No, I did not call them back. They called and texted me 4 times today.
Today alone?
Today's the first day they did, and they just slammed it.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry you're going
I'm
through
giving
that.
no information out
I
whatsoever.
don't need to be rude. Do you guys need a bottle of water or anything?
No, we're fine. Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
I was just, wasn't you know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I understand.
I mean, whatever. And then my neighbor called me, and then I listened to the message that she left me. I was like, oh. There was 2 guys outside looking for Justin. I was like, what?
Yeah, no, Justin's not in any trouble. So we just wanted to touch base with you.
Months after
With the Clearwater Police officially sealing the criminal file, the legal avenue for a homicide inquiry is closed, but the family's exploration of a massive civil medical malpractice suit keeps the true truth in limbo. Hogan may have conquered the world inside the squared circle, but his final hour was a quiet, complex medical emergency surrounded by a web of mounting family distrust and unanswered medical protocols. Make sure your subscription to the archive is locked in. Keep your notifications active as we push toward our major channel milestones. And drop your clinical analysis of this sudden 72-page death report in the comments below. Thank you for your clinical focus today. This is the Master File Crime Archive.